It's about 2 hours after an L4/5 lumbar decompression and stabilisation for a very tight stenosis. So what about your posture? You're looking straighter. How do you feel?
Straighter, a little bit straighter.
Yeah, good.
You know, I can.
Yeah, you can lean.
I can push back.
Excellent.
And I was sort of crouched before.
You
so
were.
I think that's definitely.
And any pain in your leg at the moment?
No pain in my leg. As I say, it's numb, but there's no pain.
No pain. Can I see you walking?
Yes.
Good. Fantastic. You are much straighter than you were.
I think so.
Yeah, definitely. Excellent. Good.
Yeah. So I think.
Any pain in your back at the moment, like this?
Little bit here. Little bit of stiffness.
Stiffness.
Pain.
Yeah.
Absolutely no pain on the right hand side at all.
Fantastic. Good.
A little bit of pain on the left hand side, but I think it's that referred side.
And remember, it's only 2 hours after quite a major, you know, I mean, last time you were in hospital, were you, for 2 nights?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, there you are.
Yeah.